Hey everyone, Mark here with Nightingale University, and today we're going to be looking at the movements of our Khroma. Our Khroma comes standard with Enersorb throughout in the seat for cushioning and also in the back for added support. Enersorb is unique in its ability to take your weight and disperse it equally, vertically and horizontally, and that provides an unmatched sitting experience in a Nightingale chair. You also have leather covering your loop arms on the Khroma, and I'm just going to get in the chair now and show you some of the movements. On your right side, you have your gas lift lever, and you saw how when I lifted that, the chair rose. If you want to bring it down, you simply lift it like that, and you put it to whatever height you like for your support. Okay. Underneath, you have a tension control knob. Turn it to the right, and you're going to tighten the resistance or firm up the resistance of your reclining motion on the Khroma. If you turn it to the left, you're going to be loosening or lessening the resistance. And again, that's all in your preference and how your body responds to the movement of your Khroma. Also on your left-hand side, we have our adjustable position lock here. Okay, so this is a multi-position lock, folks. And what that means is you can put it in two different positions. You're just going to put it down, and it's going to hold it in place. You can also go a little further back and lock it there as well. Okay, when you want to unlock it, you simply lift your lever. This is a posi back release, so you're going to need to put just a bit of weight. You're going to hear a click, and that's released it. And you can see it's a nice fluid motion as I come out of the chair. It's not catapulting me or throwing me out of the chair. And of course, when it's up, it's in a free float and a kind of a rocking motion as you go through your day and want some movement for ergonomic comfort at your workplace. And so this is our Khroma. And for more information, please join us at nightingalechairs.com.